Record-ology.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I know we've done 3 videos in a row. We usually don't do a daily show, but this weekend, it's a long weekend. I figured, we need some extra content. We need some extra fun stuff to watch. And all of these cool gadgets have been stacking up, and I'm thinking to myself, I need to share this sooner than later. So here we are with another video. What is this thing? I'll show you in just a minute. But before we do that, I wanted to just say to you, thank you, because something amazing has happened. And what am I talking about? We just passed 15,000 subscribers, which I never thought would happen when I started this channel. It's just awesome. That is testament to how awesome you guys are, getting the word out there, watching these videos, and of course the good old YouTube algorithm, sharing it out with people. If you have discovered this channel recently and hit subscribe, I just want to say thank you for that. Now, I said we were going to do something once we hit 15,000 subs. Now, what am I talking about? Something special. If you want to know what I'm talking about, go back and look at a recent video we did, maybe, 5, 6 videos ago about a mystery unboxing. If you watch that show, you will find out what is about to happen, and we're going to be giving away some things, and that's about all I'm going to tell you right now. So check that out. That's going to be happening in the near future as promised in that video. So go back and check that out to find out what I'm talking about and find out more about that topic that I'm referring to. But today we're looking at the Coolify. What is this Coolify? Now I want to preface this by saying I started shooting this video previously, and this had plastic wrap on it. The thing inside had plastic wrap on it, and it was just so reflective with this light, it was just too annoying. So I have taken off the plastic wrap of both, but I have not opened it any further than that. So I want you to realize I haven't really experimented with this at all. So this is by Toraz. It is called a Coolify. And on the back here it says torazlife.com. And it is simple but unique. I do think it's unique. I don't know how simple it is. We'll find out. So let's go ahead and open the box. We are greeted with a make it happen. So I don't know what that means. And then here is the thing inside. What is this? It is a wearable air conditioner. That's right, a wearable air conditioner. I was as mystified as you probably are. Like, that exists? Can you really make an actual air conditioner, like, portable, something you could wear around your neck? When I'm thinking about a portable air conditioner, usually I'm thinking about those fans that old people wear around their neck, when they're walking their dog or whatever, with a battery operated little fan blowing in their face. But this, based on what I've seen, goes around your neck. It's a hands-free design, patented double vents design, not to be confused with those single vent designs. Now, I will say I do own one of those little neck strap fans. I inherited it, but I do own it. So this thing is bizarre. The case is amazing. I mean, this overly engineered case, it looks like Toraz. I've never heard of this brand. And on the back there, or on the bottom, you can see all kinds. It is printed with soy ink, which is so important to me. When I see printing that's not printed in soy ink, it makes me question things. So I am glad they did that. Is he sarcastic or is he serious? Okay, or is he just boring? Let's go ahead and open this very fancy case up. And there it is. Set that down. Actually, no, that's not it. That has a piece of plastic over it. Is there anything in here that isn't highly reflective? I don't think so. So here we go. Wow, look at this thing. Wearable air conditioner. There's all these vents here. We got paperwork. Everything's very unique. Again, I don't know if it's simple, but it's unique. That's the Chinese language side and the English language side. And then the device. Wait, what's this in the middle? Charging cord. Nice, USB-C. And there's something else down here. What is this? Oh, is this a case? That's cool. That's really cool. Literally, it's cool. Does it really need to be that big? Wait, what? Oh, I get it. It goes up and around. Okay. I get. Sorry, guys. It's Monday. And then here is the device itself. It looks like audio equipment. I mean, it looks like these are speakers, but they're not. Okay. Oh, interesting. Oh, that feels really weird. So they're flexible at those joints. I've read reviews that say that this part, I think this is the battery pack, can get kind of warm on your neck. So it's kind of bizarre where you feel cold except for this hot spot on your neck. And I don't know what this part is. I'll have to explain. Right and left, that's weird. Just like audio equipment. Interesting. Now, I sort of dread doing these type of shows because when I have to, it's something you have to wear, and that means I have to show my face using something, my head using something, and that's kind of annoying. But if it doesn't bother you, it doesn't bother me. So, all right, let me go ahead and read the instructions so you don't have to, and we'll try this thing out and see if it's any good. Really quickly, when I think of personal air conditioner, this is what I was talking about. So it's literally just like a very loud, apparently somewhat dusty fan, like one of those circular fans, and you just wear this strap around your neck and it shoots air up in your face. So pretty basic. O2 cool. And a little strange clip. I don't know how that's going to be helpful. Inverted, like, well, I guess this is a clip. Is that a clip? You can tell I use this a lot. No, that's not a clip. Anyway, so that's what I think of when I think of personal air conditioner, not this thing. But let's go ahead and try it out. One more thing. So interesting, looking through the stuff. So let's start a wonderful journey of having a cool neck and head. And I can actually say, yeah, that's a great idea. So here are the different parts. The back has the, where did I see? Oh, yeah, semiconductor chip cooling. I'm not sure of how that technology works. Apparently it's bladeless. There's no actual fan blade in this. They have different gears for the, different, settings. And I thought this was kind of interesting. Where did I see this? No. There was something there that was kind of amusing to me. Number 5. It is forbidden to use the fan after being soaked in water. It's not just not recommended or do not. It is forbidden. And it is also forbidden to disassemble, squeeze, or throw into fire. Do not squeeze this unit. I think what they're talking about is with those joints, Anyway, kind of amusing, but good advice. So I think I have a grip on how to operate this thing. Now the unfortunate part where you have to look at my head wearing it, and I'll try my best to describe it. Okay, so here we go. But wait, I need to figure out where the power switch is. All right. So the power switch does everything. Ow, caught my beard hair. This looks weird. Hey guys, how's it going? All right, let's try this thing out. Okay. Ooh, it feels good. So I guess it defaults to fan only mode. And then if you want the actual air conditioner, you have to press and hold it. But first of all, I'm stepping up to the higher power modes. Ooh, okay, that feels good. That feels really good. Something like on a nice hot day going on a walk down the trail when it's over 90. Although they say you have to avoid sunlight and excessive heat and whatnot, but it feels good. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold to turn on the actual air conditioner. And I don't know how long. Oh my gosh! Oh, that is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna. This is gonna look ridiculous, but I'm gonna turn around just so you can see the whole thing. Okay. It's really a lot right here on the sides. Apparently, these are air intake vents too. So there's one on the back and one on the two in the front. Wow. Okay. Now I can feel like kind of the smooth plastic of the back of it, the battery pack on my neck. So I could see how that would get kind of sweaty even though you were being, having cold air blown on you. But that's wonderful. That is a wonderful thing. Maybe even at the gym. It's kind of heavy though. It's kind of heavy. It's cool. I like that. That feels good. That feels really good. Okay. Hey, we're branching out. My wife is like, that has nothing to do with your gym. What are you doing? And I'm like, well, it does, because my byline is vinyl, tech, and cool stuff. This falls into cool stuff, both figuratively and literally. Coolify. I have no idea how long the battery lasts. I could probably find that information out pretty easy. I don't know how reliable it is, but I can tell you at this moment, I am liking it. I am liking it a lot. I like a fan on me. I like cool air. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and recommend this thing wholeheartedly. This is cool. If you want to snag a Coolify for your own self, I'll put a link in the description below. Wow, that is it's frigid. I mean, it is amazing. You can kind of, it blows across your ears. It kind of sounds like you got that sound effect too, which can be kind of a cool thing. And if that's too much, intensity, wherever the switch is, you can I could shut it off or just down to a lower level. And again, the air conditioner functioning separately from the fan can be operated by pressing and holding. So, all right guys, that's gonna do it for today. I know it's kind of a random odd show, but something that's interesting anyway. Thanks for watching guys. Happy record hunting. Happy interesting thing collecting, finding. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Let's have an awesome week, you guys. We'll see you next time. One other thing I just realized, this plate back here actually gets very cold. Very, very cold. That's like part of the cooling. So the guy that said that they got hot must be like this part, because the actual part that touches your neck is freezing, which is great.